Hey guys, I'm back with a super easy scrap wood project. I'm still working from home and doing little things around the house to kind of revamp, and I've been so bad about framing recent pictures, so I decided to tackle that this week with this project, and I built this barnwood clip frame. It's so easy, so inexpensive, so let's go build it. I'm starting this project by cutting my barnwood pieces to size. These are going to be 12 inches long, and I'm using 3 for each frame. This will hold an 8x10 picture. With the barnwood planks cut, I'm flipping them upside down. Now I'm running a line of wood glue on a scrap piece that I cut to size to fit all 3 of the frames. I'm attaching the scrap pieces to the back of the barnwood planks with 1/2-inch brad nails. With the scrap pieces attached, I'm flipping it over, and now I'm measuring for the top and bottom trim pieces. The trim pieces are scrap barnwood that I ripped to 1 inch wide. I'm attaching the top and bottom trim pieces with wood glue and 1 1/4-inch brad nails. The trim will be flush with the back of the frame, and there will be a little bit of an overhang on the front. Now I'm measuring for the side pieces, and I'm attaching them with 1 1/4-inch brad nails and wood glue. Easy enough. Now I'm marking center for the clip, and I'm attaching it with hot glue. I'm loving how these new frames look in my dining room. It was just what I needed for some recent pictures, and I love that I was able to use scrap wood, so it was super inexpensive, and I built 3 frames in less than 30 minutes. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video. Happy building! We're starting over, Jeffrey, sorry. Ay. Step 1, don't nail it to the workbench.